What's up? It's your girl Alicia Jones, and I'm back again with a new video. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? Welcome. If you like the vibes, you want to rock with me, hit that subscribe button, like this video, comment, and share. So in today's video, you guys, basically what I'm going to be doing is just showing y'all how I take care of my hair when I have crochet braids. How I oil my scalp and moisturize it, and you know, that kind of thing, because I do have like nighttime routines, and I always talk about like the products I use on my hair and what hair I like, what works for the hair and stuff like that, the mousses I use. And I had this huge mousse battle with Lot of Body and Cream of Nature, but today we're gonna talk about what I do to my hair, not synthetic hair, my human natural hair. Basically what I do when I braid my hair up, y'all know my regular smuggler braid pattern. It's like my go-to now. I don't do nothing else but my go-to, unless I'm doing twists, locks, or braids. I just do like 10 braids in the front and I do a zigzag pattern in the back. Before I braid up my hair, because I know I'm gonna be doing this style and it's gonna be up for some weeks, what I do is I put a cleanse on my hair, I deep condition it, I wash and shampoo it, all that stuff. So the first thing I do is I detangle my hair, and I don't even have a product with me. I take this, oh yes I do, hey, well look at that. So I take this is Camille Naturals Algae Renew Deep Conditioner. So I take this, and then I also take my spray bottle, I spray it on my hair, I comb it through, detangle it, twist it up, then I wash it, I condition it. This is a step here that I use with this. I put a cap on it, and then I wash it and condition my hair. Then I will proceed to braid my hair up, and when I braid my hair up, I always oil my scalp before I do the install. It saves a lot more time, you know what I'm saying? So I could use any oils. Like, I'm a product junkie, I'm a product hoarder, so I have many oils that I like to use, but the ones that I use the most and the ones that I have down here, the rest are upstairs taking up space in the closet. But I really like this one. This one I got from Royal Beauty, but I usually get this at Target. So I got this from my local, one of my many local beauty supplies, and I really like this because you can use it on your skin and your hair, and it always makes my scalp feel so good. This is Talia Wajid. This is a Black Earth product. You know, I really like this. I'm gonna tell y'all why I like it. For this reason right here, this nozzle, it's so easy, it's just so convenient. So literally I just pop off that top, and I like to start over here on the end first. I start over here, and then I literally just do this, and I go through each section, and then I just oil it like that. I rub it in real good, and then this is what I do. But I gotta be honest with y'all, I gotta keep it 100. I gotta keep it 100 with you guys. If I don't feel like doing this, I get my daughters to do it. Well, mainly my oldest daughter, because if I let my 4-year-old, I'm gonna have oil like just dripping. But that's the truth. If I don't feel like doing it, I have my daughters do it. But I take each section, and then I literally just do this, and it feels better when somebody do it, to be honest with you, which is why I be like, yo, come oil my scalp for me. My youngest daughter, she don't like doing it. She'll be like, I'll do it tomorrow, and then it'll be like 3 days later, and she'll be like, oh yeah, I'll do it tomorrow. It's not her responsibility, but she'll be trying to do it. But this is what I do, and then I make sure I get those sections in the back. But this nozzle, y'all, it's so good. It's so freaking good. I love it so much, and I like this because the smell is not too strong. It's paraben free. I like that you can use it on your hair and your skin, and I just really like that. So the next one I really like to go in with. This one, I love this. This is the Main Choice. Now this I did get from Target. This is the Main Choice. It's a growth oil. It's a multi-vitamin scalp nourishing oil. It helps reduce shedding. It helps revitalize and rejuvenate the scalp. I love this so much. And as y'all can see, like, I don't know if y'all can see, like, it's almost gone. And I just bought this. I use it on my hair, my daughter's hair. But again, that nozzle, you can just go. Now this one right here, this is Jamaican mango and lime. This is Jamaican black castor oil. Now the castor oil, I really like to use this for my edges. So what I do is I just take it like this and I'll just dip it. I know this looks so bad right now, but this is what I do. I take it like this, and as y'all can see, it's just a little bit on there. I ain't got that much edges anyway to begin with, so this is fine. So what I do, I just take it and I literally just rub it on my edges, or have my daughter do it. And then I rub that on my edges and we good to go. Now when I go out of town, my y'all know all the beauty supplies, they have, well, not all of them, I'm not even sure, but this is what my beauty supply has an empty bottle similar to this. And if I want to go in and just do a little something different, I'll make my own concoction or whatever. So I'll take a little bit of tree oil, I'll take some jojoba oil, and then I'll take some black castor oil, and then I'll put a little bit of conditioner in it. And this just is if I feel my scalp is really dry, and I'll put it in that empty bottle that I bought from my beauty supply that looks like this, and then I'll mix them all together, and then I'll put it on my scalp, and then I'll do it that way. That is what I really like to do for my crochet for my scalp in the winter. I really like to do that. And also when I travel out of town, I always make up a concoction like that for my braids. But we ain't talking about box braids or nothing. We talking about my scalp for the crochet braids. Another thing that I like to use when I do have dandruff, I haven't been having it as much as I used to. I used to have it really bad. I guess because I've been oiling my scalp a lot more. But I go in with this Head and Shoulders. This is a daily moisture scalp cream. It got coconut oil in it. It moisturizes your scalp and it helps with that itch. But I like to use this. I got this from Target too. But it's basically an anti-dandruff for your scalp. So I go in with this, and I really like this. It doesn't make my scalp feel some type of way. It just feels soothing. And I use this because I'm gonna tell you, I used to have dandruff. I would literally, and I still do it. I don't have it as much. I still have dandruff. I just don't have it as bad as I used to. But I will part my hair in the mirror, and I will literally just stand there and just be like, so I have a dandruff scratching. I'm addicted to scratching dandruff, okay? I watch videos, like I will sit for hours and just watch videos of people getting dandruff scratched out of their hair. I love it so much. Don't judge me, but I love it so much. And yeah, so I just take this, I put it in, I don't put it in my whole head, I put it in the spots that I notice that I have dandruff. So it's really good. It's lightweight, but this is just what it looks like, and I like it. It's by Head and Shoulders, but it's just a little white little cream. It's really lightweight. That's what I like. I like lightweight oils and stuff because it doesn't feel like my hair is weighed down, you know. And then sometimes after I oil my scalp, after I do my braids and I go on with whatever oil, this one or the Main Choice, I will take this, and this could be doing too much, but this is Cream of Nature's Argan Oil from Morocco. It's an anti-humidity gloss and shine mist. Now sometimes this is when my braids are super duper tight and my head is like, ugh, your braid is too tight. This time I didn't braid tight, but I will take this. Got this from Target as well, because they got this whole like little natural hair section. But I take this and I just spray it on my braids, and then I just massage it in there. Recently I haven't been wearing my crochet hair for longer than 3 weeks, so I wear my hair for literally probably like 2.5 weeks, take it out, wash it. And if I wear crochet hair back to back, then I'll let my hair breathe. I'll take it, let it get a break, and then I'll just twist it up, and then I'll wear wigs over the top of it. But I wanted to come on here and show you guys how I care for my natural hair, like the oils I use. Now this is just some of the oils I use, but if you are into like doing your own oils and stuff like that, like you can melt shea butter, and you can get that container with a nozzle, and you can put whatever you want to in there. That's what I do. And I don't put a lot, you know, I put a couple drops of this, put a couple drops of that. Coconut oil, tea tree oil, jojoba oil, shea oils. Cause it's like these little bottles. They're like Hollywood Beauty. I think they like $2.99. They really affordable. But they're in these little things, and like each has a different color nozzle. Those I use, and I'm a sucker for these in the jars. And I just make my own thing sometimes, especially for the winter when my hair is so dry. Take care of y'all scalp, take care of your hair when you're in a protective style, because you know it really helps your hair. Your hair should be thriving and growing in those protective styles and stuff like that. And also make sure y'all hook y'all edges up. Y'all can even do what I just showed y'all. Even though it look real janky and it look all, you can dip your finger in there. It don't spill. I just tilt it a little bit and I rub it on there, and that's what I do. I put my bonnet on, do whatever I'm doing with my hair, my crochet hair, and I put my bonnet on and I go to sleep. So yeah, you guys, that is it for this video. If you found it helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you never miss any videos from me. Like this video. Oh, and the products that I showed you guys, I'll just have link below if you're interested in purchasing them. But if you're natural, or if you like products, or you're a product junkie, you probably already got them products plus more. I don't know, because I know I got a lot of products upstairs. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.